I feel like I'm starting to lose my mind. I know, for some of you this comes at no surprise at all, but Tesla has just released a teaser video of something peculiar that will be revealed on October 7th. What we see in the video is something that resembles either a wheel cover or some kind of fan, with a Tesla logo at the center. Now, some are speculating that this is a hint to the Next Gen Roadster, and in particular to the patent they released earlier, where they patented a system that uses fans to suck the car to the ground, not unlike the McMurtry Spearling. But from the start, people were speculating that this would be a Roadster system. But I'm not sure about that. You see, the Roadster SpaceX option package is supposed to use a COPV with a high pressure inside to power cold gas thrusters and to propel the car and to provide more downforce. I actually made a video about it several years ago of how that system could work underneath the car to improve the Venturi effect. I will link it up here if you are interested in watching that explanation in more detail and with an actual physical example of how that effect works. But Tesla could theoretically just put all thrusters towards forward motion and use these fans as shown here in the patent to suck the car to the ground. But this is also pure speculation, of course. But is there any potential truth to that? Could this be the Roadster unveil again? A big part of me says definitely not. As that I simply cannot imagine the Roadster unveil not being the biggest physical event in 8 years. And that would include invitations going out to a bunch of influencers and fanboys. And we have heard zero about that, not even a hint. I do not believe that this would be a mere internet video reveal for a car that has been anticipated for 8 years already. So yeah, I don't think it's that. But what is it then? Just a wheel cap of the new cheaper Model Y? Doesn't seem that either, as it wobbles all over the place in the video. And then I listened to the sound of the video. And I immediately remembered that it resembles really well with the introduction of the Roadster at the Unveil event all those years ago, which I used myself in a video about the Model S Plaid unveil several years later.
The Plaid!
So now I don't know anymore. Is this convincing enough? Tesla are driving me crazy with this teaser. What about you guys? What do you think will be unveiled on the 7th? And if it's not a Roadster fan system, then what do you think is being shown here? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.